So what is PANACEGG? How do you pronounce it? What does it mean? What do we mean when we say that PANACEGG replaces all 8 functions of eggs? Hello, my name is Chloe. I am your artificial intelligence avatar, or your AI vegan chef expert, and I am going to answer some of your questions. PANACEGG. It is a combination of words. The word panacea is a Greek word that means a solution or remedy for all difficulties. In Greek mythology and religion, Panacea was a goddess of universal remedy. We combine this with the word egg, and so it is pronounced PANACEGG. And so what is it? It happens to be a remedy for the difficulty associated with replacing eggs in baked cooking applications with a sustainable low-cost solution. The Vegan Gastronomy Culinary Academy is particularly dedicated to addressing shortages of eggs because of the global bird flu virus that is affecting chickens and egg production. If you were to look up and search the news for the word bird flu and check the news around the world, you will see what is happening. Beyond the implications of bird flu, the Academy also prioritizes the development of egg alternatives to cater to individuals with egg allergies or those adhering to religious dietary restrictions that prohibit the consumption of eggs. In recognizing these broader concerns, the ingredient division of our Academy, known by the name of Free From That, strives to offer inclusive and innovative culinary solutions. PANACEGG replaces the 8 functions that eggs perform in baked recipes. So what are those functions? 1. Emulsification. The egg yolk has the unique ability to bind liquids and fats together, creating an emulsion. 2. Moisture. The fat in eggs gives baked goods extra rich flavor and a velvety texture. 3. Leavening and foaming. Eggs can be whipped incorporating millions of tiny air bubbles, creating a leavening and foaming action. 4. Thickening and coagulation. Eggs have the ability to hold up to 4 times their weight in moisture, traditionally used to thicken sauces and custards, and coagulating curds. 5. Binding. Eggs can act as binding agents. As their proteins set, eggs bind ingredients together, giving strength and stability to baked goods. 6. Crumb structure and mouthfeel. Eggs contribute to the structure, leavening, and moisture of baked goods, helping to create desirable textures and mouthfeel. 7. Gloss and coating. Protein browns when exposed to heat. Brushing pies, biscuits, breads, and buns with an egg wash before baking gives them a bronzed and glossy sheen. 8. Color and flavor. Eggs contribute color and flavor to baked goods through their yolk pigments, fat content, and the Maillard reaction. PANACEGG is unique in that it is a plant-based product that performs all of those functions. And as egg prices continue to rise, PANACEGG becomes a lower-cost solution than ordinary eggs. It is the panacea of egg replacements. PANACEGG is a 100% plant-based powdered product designed to replace a whole egg in baked applications. It is manufactured in Europe and shipped all around the world. It comes in economy size of 400 grams or 0.88 pounds and is packaged in aluminum bags or a professional size of 1 large sealed food-grade plastic bag that weighs 10 kilograms or 22 pounds. Professional bakers are leaning towards PANACEGG to replace the eggs that they use in baking. So how do you figure out how much PANACEGG you need in your recipe? You can quickly refer to our product website on how to prepare. Or if you want, you can purchase a simple electronic PANACEGG recipe book on our website at Free From That. Or if you are more advanced and professional, you can take one of the many chef baking and pastry training courses available online. The most popular simple courses are about making plant-based eclairs or choux pastries without eggs. Scroll through courses we offer and find one that meets your needs. These courses are taught online and are designed to meet your free time schedule. Do you need help on how to use the PANACEGG product? Set up a free one-on-one consultation with our team. Set up a free telephone call. Just follow the link in the notes below on this video or on our website. We will assist you in becoming a plant-based PANACEGG professional.
We appreciate your commitment to being a proactive and responsible participant in our culinary community. We eagerly anticipate the opportunity to connect with you in the near future. Thank you for taking the time to learn something new.